We begin with Kouri Richins back in court today ahead of her trial next month.
Remember, she's the Camas mother accused of fatally poisoning her husband with fentanyl back in 2022. ABC4's Bayan Wang has been following this case for us today. Joins us live here in studio. Bayan, jury selection we know was a big issue today.
Yeah, that's right. We learned that more than 1,400 Summit County residents completed the jury questionnaire so far, which is actually a pretty big number. As you may recall, the defense requested a large jury pool in this case, citing all the media coverage it's received in the last several years. Both parties also discussed upcoming deadlines and how potential witnesses will testify at trial. Kouri Richins attended the virtual meeting via WebEx, which lasted for about 20 minutes until the parties went into a closed session. For context, it's been nearly 4 years since Richins told police that she woke up in the middle of the night to find her husband, Eric, dead in their bedroom. An autopsy revealed that Eric died of a fentanyl overdose. About a year after her husband's death, Richins went on to publish a children's book about coping with grief. 2 months later, authorities arrested her for aggravated murder along with other charges after learning that she allegedly purchased fentanyl pills from a friend, which prosecutors claim Richins used to kill her husband. In the background of all of this, prosecutors have painted a picture of a calculated, years-long pattern of financial manipulation and sneaky transactions that Richins took part in, including allegedly opening multiple life insurance policies on her husband prior to his death. However, one of the last major developments in this case happened back in October when an affidavit showed a key witness recanting their previous statements that he sold Richins' friend fentanyl, who in turn provided it to Richins. That witness, identified as Robert Crozier, said he sold them Oxycontin, not fentanyl. Utah defense attorney Jeremy Diaz weighs in on that key piece of evidence.
I think that's something big, and it's going to play big into the defense's argument. As far as what the prosecutor's arguments are, I mean, a lot of it is kind of circumstantial, right? They've got to play up the financial difficulties and some of the issues there that relate to the marriage. As far as what actually gets in at evidence, that's one of the fun things about trial is it doesn't matter how hard you plan, more often than not, things go differently in trial.
An evidentiary hearing is set for next week before jury pool selection, which will start in mid-February. The trial itself is scheduled for February 23rd. Live in studio, I'm Bayan Wang, ABC4 News.